Stop using verbs lie and lay interchangeably. Although they both refer to things in a horizontal line or on a flat surface, they are used differently. To use these two verbs correctly, we need to remember two important things. First, the second form or the past tense of verb lie is not laid and not even lied. It is lay. And the second form of verb lay is laid. We need to remember these verb forms to use them correctly. The other thing that we need to remember is verb lie is not followed by an object. However, the verb lay is always followed by an object. Now let's apply these two rules to frame some sentences and gain clarity. Tired after the day's work, Martha lay on the sofa. Here we have used the past tense of the verb lie and without a direct object. Martha laid the books on the sofa. Here the second form of the verb lay has been used and with a direct object, books. Similarly, Mark laid his clothes on the floor. The clothes lay all over the floor. Bob is laying the food on the table. A lot of food is still lying on the table. In the last four examples, you can easily make out which verb has been used where. For more such grammar tips and detailed lessons, follow Enliven English.